Hello, I'm Zarene Inanyo Franco and I'm here to talk about introduction about semantic web. So, semantic web is a purpose of World Wide Web. So, the web is a system of interlinked documents accessed via the internet. Computers use network protocols to communicate in networks. Web browsers use HTTP to communicate with web servers. Semantics. Semantics is related to the word syntax, but syntax is how to say something, and semantics is the meaning behind what we say. Web 2.0 describes World Wide Web that emphasize user-generated content and usability, ease of use, even by non-experts, for end users. Example: YouTube, social networking sites such as Facebook and etc. And today's scenario of web. Most of the web content is suitable for human use. Dynamic pages generated based on information from database but without original information structure found in database. Information seeking, publishing and using, searching for people and products, shopping, reviewing catalogs, and etc. Semantic web technologies define ways to create meaningful structured collections of data and specify data relationships. Limitation of the web search today: the web search results are high recall, low precision. Results are highly sensitive to vocabulary. Results are single web pages. Most of the publishing contents are not structured to allow logical reasoning and query answering. Reasons behind searching an alternative of Web 2.0. In Web 2.0, web pages are written in HTML. HTML describes the syntax, not the semantics. If computer can understand the meaning behind information, they can learn what we are interested. They can help us better find what we want. This is really what the semantic web is all about. The semantic web. The semantic web is an extension of the current web in which information is given well-defined meaning, better enabling computers and people to work in cooperation. So semantic web. Today's web is about documents, but semantic web is about things. It can recognize people, events, companies, products, movies, etc. etc. It can understand the relationships between things. So semantic web includes entities, SEO, synonyms, contextualization, keywords, knowledge graph, topical hubs, hummingbird, UX, co-occurrence. So in working, the semantic web purposes to help computers read and use the web. The big idea is pretty simple. Metadata added to web pages can make existing World Wide Web machine readable. This won't make computers self-aware, but it will give machines tools to find, exchange, and to a limited extent interpret information. So here's an example to understand the semantic web. Suppose you want to watch a movie and grab something to eat. You like an action movie and Italian food. Now, you perform a search for movie theaters and restaurants. In this phenomenon, you spend half an hour doing planning. This is how things work today. The next generation of the web will change how things work. So the advantages about semantic web. So semantic web will make search tasks faster and easier. Semantic web will make searches more personalized. Semantic Web browser will act as a personal assistant. In conclusion, the Semantic Web is an initiative that aims at improving the current state of the World Wide Web. So, thanks for listening. That's all.